They'll get it in the comments all the time. Well, I'm just one player. I'm just one person. I can only do so much. True, but one leader that takes a stand, one leader that stands up, one leader that leads by example, they put the team on their back. One player cannot do it all by themselves. However, one player can make a difference. And then that one player inspires a second player, then a third player, then a fourth player, then a fifth player. And before you know it, you got everybody working in the same direction. Everybody bought in on the same goal. And example I give, open hand, fingers, individuals doing their own thing, fail. Now in martial arts, I broke boards, bricks, ice, everything you could imagine. Now, if I went to break that with my fingers alone, I would break each finger alone because individuals fail. However, putting that together in a unified fist, now you got strength. Now you got power. Now you got some major force working together for unity, strength, all on the same page. And that page, bang, break that board, break that brick, break through. That's the team mentality, the fist working together on a unified goal. The unified goal is to be the best team you can be. Individuals fail. Teams succeed. Teams win. Teams take championships. Yeah. Teams are remembered, but individuals by themselves ain't going to do it. But that team starts with one person saying, all right, let's come together. I always like to say the thumb is the leader of that fist because it holds it together. If the thumb comes apart, the leader comes apart, and before you know it, everything's come apart. And unfortunately, that's what happens to a lot of organizations too. You know, they start off beginning of the season, everybody's unified on what they're going to do to help their players earn ice time, help their players get as much ice time as possible, help their players win as many games as possible, help their players get to the playoffs, help their players get to states. Somewhere along the line, if that unified goal isn't continuously reminded and reinforced, before you know it, that fist starts coming apart. Now you got everybody doing their own thing. Now you got everybody talking bad about one another. You got conflict between the parents and the coaches and the players and the organization, and the season's lost. Instead of being such a season that started off with such hope and promise and prosperity, has now turned into a season you can't wait for it to end. Go ahead and drop in the comments if you've had a season like that before.